What do we have here? What is exactly going on this table in front of us?
Well, we have a robotic copier, as a matter of fact, Dr. Murphy. It is driven by the RX 1.0, the famous Lego programmable cube.
Mm-hmm. I see that.
The Lego RCX brick controls 3 motors and 4 sensors.
And that's where those wires are connecting to.
Yes, the wires are connecting to 3 different motors and 4 different sensors.
Mm-hmm.
One motor, which is here, drives the main motion, which pulls the electronic eye visual light sensor across the text that you want to copy.
So it's actually reading the text right now. It's reading it.
Indeed.
How is it reading it?
If you look in here, you can see a small red light that is attached to a light sensor.
I can see that red light
over the black and white print of the newspaper. When it sees black light, darkness, it causes the pen over here to go down via a small motor here.
So here's the pen. Now put your finger on the pen. That's just an average pen, the sort that we all have in our drawer.
With a small felt tip pen.
Right.
Point, yes.
And it's attached to this wheeled device, which is running over the paper.
Right, which is being pushed along at the same rate as the electronic eye. When the electronic eye sees a dark patch, it causes the pen to go down via this motor here, and then when it sees light again, it causes the pen to go up. So you'll see in a moment, we'll see dark, pen goes down, light, pen goes up.
And it's drawing small lines when it goes down.
Yes, the pen goes down and touches the paper, and then the main motor pushes it along so that it makes a mark wherever the electronic eye sees a dark spot, therefore reproducing the black and white print of the newspaper. There are also 2 touch sensors. One touch sensor right here, which will soon be activated to cause it to reverse, and that's what it just did. This motor here, when one of the touch sensors is touched on either end of the small cart, there's one touch sensor here and one here. When either of those is activated, this motor here pulls the entire device one line down and causes the eye then to scan back.
So this is much like a dot matrix printer of the sort many of us had in our offices a few years ago.
Yes, indeed.
Yes, indeed. So it's returning back on its return journey across the text.
Right.
Right. What advantage do we really have over those Xerox style copiers with this device?
Well, this takes a lot longer.
Right.
And the quality's not as good.
Right.
And it can't really read very fine print.
Only headlines, then.
On the other hand, it's entirely made of Legos.
And how will that change our relationship with the written word today?
Well, anything that is now mediated by Lego will entirely revolutionize the world.